Greetings, River Lady here with an update on the hydrangeas located in my local shopping center. Okay, let's get going. This is going to be a noisy video. The shopping center is busy today. So it's the end of June and I'm here with an update on the hydrangeas that are in my shopping center. And these are the hydrangeas that were mowed down using a hedge trimmer back in January. And I did a video, I think it was March when I did that video, showing what the hydrangeas look like. Now, these hydrangeas don't get fed, they don't get watered, and they sit, unless it's cloudy, they sit in full sun. So today it's kind of overcast. But typically they're sitting in full blazing sun. And look at how they're blooming. These are all Endless Summer original variety, and their blossoms are beautiful. So let's walk around and look at them. I guess I'm getting to the point where I don't know what hydrangeas want, because these hydrangeas had all their buds, I can't speak, all their buds that were set last year in 2021, all their buds were taken off, and now they're blooming on their new wood. And look at the buds! Look at the buds! Look at the buds! Lots of buds and spectacular blooms. I feel like I'm at a hydrangea show. I don't get it. I seriously don't get it. This goes against everything that I've learned about hydrangeas. So that's it for an update on my shopping center's hydrangeas. Let's go check the hydrangeas across the street at the bank and see if they're blooming. All right, I'm across the street at the bank, and these hydrangeas have not been pruned. In fact, they still have their stems from 2021, but you can see that one in the middle, that has some nice blooms on it. And the one in the far side, we have a bloom ready to start at the top. These, as are the ones across behind me, are Endless Summer original variety, and they're getting ready to bloom. And just like the ones behind me, these don't get fed and they sit in the full sun. I don't have a clue. I'll tell you, I don't have a clue what a hydrangea wants. Okay, so I'll come back to these hydrangeas in August and we'll see how they're doing. But I know how they're going to be doing. They're going to be doing great. They might look a little wilted, but they're going to be doing great. What does a hydrangea want? I think I'm just going to go home and give my hydrangeas each a big hug and tell them I love them and say, please bloom. Okay, this is River Lady saying thank you for watching and happy gardening. Bye.